Hello, my name is Fernando, and this is a quick how-to tutorial on how to trace back your indigenous ancestry in Mexico. Despite what some people may think, not all Mexicans are Aztecs or Mexica. In fact, most likely your ancestors were enemies of the Aztecs. There are 68 indigenous languages in Mexico alone. First thing you want to do is take an ancestry test, 23andMe or through Ancestry.com. These tests are about half price come Black Friday. While you wait for your results, write down all the possible names and dates of relatives. For example, grandparents' birthdays, birthplace, wedding date, etc. Next, open up a free account on FamilySearch.org. Use the search feature or access the records manually. Start plotting out your family tree. Once you've reached around the mid-1800s, families were classified by the colonial caste system. Search records manually and cross-check all your work. Families tend to migrate in small waves throughout Mexico. Usually, the further back in time you go, the more research has already been done for you. Odds are, you will be descendant of conquistadors and Spanish royal families, as they were among the first to be allowed to migrate to the New World. Some indigenous last names were linked to specific communities, and sometimes Spanish last names were given to groups of people. Once your test results come back, cross-check your work and focus on specific regions where your descendants may have come from. Use historical records to fill in the missing pieces. Most records will not disclose tribal affiliation. A lot of indigenous communities were disbanded, killed off, or relocated to other regions. There are lots of resources available for those researching records.